So hello guys, welcome once again to a short video. A lot of you guys send me messages asking me to make a follow-up video on the E90 Dash Tablet for my BMW E90, and since I made some modification to it, I said why not. So this is a video where I explain how and what is the latest developments on this project. And since I made it now more or less permanent in my dash, I just want to show you how it looks like and what I did. So basically I have extracted out of this tablet the battery. This is because it sits always in the dashboard and the sun is shining on it all day. And you know how a Samsung battery can get. I'm afraid it will catch on fire. So I don't want this. Okay, so since most of you are interested about the mounting bracket, I will show you exactly how the mounting bracket looks like now. Basically it's the same as it was. I have modified that CUDA mount, but now since I don't have the battery inside, I have the necessary space to add 2 screws, and now it's permanently fixed to this bracket. I know it doesn't look so nice here, but nevertheless it's hidden away behind the tablet. It doesn't show that much, so it doesn't matter. So here I remove the actual battery from the tablet, and then the positive and negative solder to a micro USB board. And here I've used a connector with a cable. You see, this is a magnetic micro USB connection that connects here magnetically, and it's 360-degree connection. The mounting process is exactly the same. Insert first this part here, and then it will snap in place. Of course, I have to connect this power cable here, and that's it. Yeah, now I don't have a battery inside. I don't have the stress that something will catch on fire. And yeah, of course I cannot use the tablet with the car off, but I don't need it either way. Yeah, this is how it looks like from the side. I think it's really nice, sleek, simple, removable, everything. So yeah, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. If you like this concept, give it a thumbs up, and why not subscribe. Okay, thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.